Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. FTX has over $1 billion in cash to cover all user assets. Binance co-founder he claims the exchange doesn't fight with FTX. Avalanche Foundation offers $4 million for trading platform GMX. Department of Justice seized over 50,000 Bitcoin from Silk Road hack. Exhaustion of USDC reserves causes FTX transaction congestion. Now let's dive to the details. FTX has over $1 billion in cash to cover all user assets. In a battle between two top crypto exchanges, but rumors swirl around that FTX could be in big trouble if whales withdraw. Sam Bankman-Fried affirmed that the company's assets are very stable. The liquidity does not face any difficulties. Sam said that currently FTX is still processing customer withdrawals. The exchange is heavily regulated on client assets, audited against GAAP, and has over $1 billion in cash. Binance co-founder he claims the exchange doesn't fight with FTX. He, the co-founder and chief customer service officer at crypto exchange Binance, has claimed that the company is not in a war with rival exchange FTX. Following the event between Binance and FTX, although Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao has harsh criticisms referring to rival FTX, however, he insists that is not the case. However, SBF asserts that FTX's financial resources are sufficient to handle the transactions. Avalanche Foundation offers $4 million for trading platform GMX. Avalanche Rush, a $180 million liquidity incentive program, is the source of the incentives. Its goal is to boost liquidity and consumers for DeFi, decentralized finance, applications on its smart contract platform. The $4 million in AVAX tokens will be given over several months along with partner platforms that are growing on top of GMX, according to a statement from the Avalanche Foundation. The exchange's Trader Joe, Yield Yak, and Dopex are examples of partner platforms. Avalanche and another scaling protocol, Arbitrum, are available as spot and perpetual futures contracts on the decentralized market GMX. Department of Justice seized over 50,000 Bitcoin from Silk Road hack. James Jones admitted to committing wire fraud in a Manhattan courtroom in 2012 after stealing 50,676 BTC from the Silk Road. The Silk Road was the first significant darknet marketplace where sellers could accept Bitcoin in return for sometimes illegal goods. Through various fictitious accounts, Jones was able to con the Silk Road payment processor into sending him the Bitcoin. According to officials, the operation was the second largest seizure of any sort in DOJ history and was the largest cryptocurrency seizure ever. Exhaustion of USDC reserves causes FTX transaction congestion. There were several occurrences of USDC withdrawals that had to wait quite a time from last night to this morning owing to the depletion of USDC reserves on FTX. This might be due to a large number of people withdrawing unexpectedly at the same time to safeguard valuables, comparable to a bank run. In response to the fact that many users need to wait to withdraw, FTX did not admit that the hot wallet was insufficient and urgently allocated. The exchange said that banks are closed for the weekend, and USD or stablecoin creations/redemptions might be slower until wires clear tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.